Hi, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for joining, especially if you're joining from Melbourne, because now we can actually go out and you're not forced to be in front of your computer, but you choose to. So thank you very much for that. It is a very important day for Batch 418 and for us at Le Wagon. So we appreciate you being here to both support and congratulate everyone. So let me go back in time. 24 weeks ago, so late May, the 8 amazing people of Batch 418 started the coding journey with very little or no coding experience at all. They dedicated their evenings, their Saturdays to learn, grow, and give their career a big push. And today they are proud to present the work they've been doing, especially during the last weeks of the bootcamp, their very, very own web apps. So first of all, let's give a big round of applause that no one is gonna hear for all the hard work that's been done. Amazing job, guys. So now that I bet everyone is very curious, to see what they could actually come up with, let's start right away. So we're gonna have Team Blended, which is Marley, Emily, and Trent. So I'll let them get ready. And when you guys want to go ahead, the stage is yours.
Hey everyone, my name's Marley and I'm a makeup artist. Throughout COVID-19 lockdowns, I've had to postpone my wedding and I have seen my industry come to a standstill, meaning now Melbourne is reopening. I need to make up for lost time by getting as many bookings as possible, as the wedding is not going to be cheap. Lucky for me, I've found Blended. Blended is a platform for makeup artists, hairdressers, and beauticians to showcase their work, make bookings, and keep in touch with their customers all in one place. I signed up this morning, filled out my About Me with my biography and some information about me, listed the services I offer, which include a description, price per person, and the duration, and listed my work experience and working hours. I took an amazing photo yesterday of one of my clients I want to display as my main profile picture. So let's go ahead and upload that now. I'm going to customize the order of the photos displayed on my profile page to attract more customers with my best work. Let me move my new photo to the front and maybe this second. Then I'll head back to my profile page and see how it all looks. I'm sure with my profile looking this good, I'll be getting bookings in no time. While I wait, I might have a look for some wedding inspiration. I'm getting married in Port Douglas, so I'm going to see what makeup artists are available there. I'm after a makeup artist at this stage. Awesome, let's have a look. Oh, there are a lot more options than I thought there would be. I really liked the look of Millie. I'm an accomplished makeup artist with 15 years experience in the industry. I'm passionate about creating the perfect personalized look for my clients. Wow, she looks great. I really like the makeup she's done in this photo, so I'm going to save it to my inspiration board. Maybe these two as well. I'm also after a bridal package. Let's see what services she offers. Awesome, she has one. For bride and 3 bridesmaids, includes for each person lashes, waterproof makeup, airbrush or traditional makeup application. Package includes travel. Sounds good. I wonder what her reviews are like. Thank you for making me look and feel amazing on my big day. You were so accommodating to our requests and created the perfect look. Awesome, she sounds amazing. Now I'm going to have a look at my inspiration board. It's great to keep track of all of my favorite looks and the artists that do them. Okay, this one's definitely my favourite. I've got 3 bridesmaids, and the package Millie offered was perfect for us, and her reviews looked fantastic as well. She's exactly what I'm after for my wedding. I'm going to see if she's available. The wedding is on the 31st of January. Awesome, looks like she's working. Looks like she already has a booking for 11 a.m, which is fine as the ceremony starts at 4 p.m. So I'm going to book her for 12:30. Great, all booked. That was easy. Oh, before I forget, I better put in a holiday day for my wedding. If I jump into my working hours section, Blended has an area to include my individual days off and automatically only lets clients book me when I am working. Oh, a message. Maybe I've already got my first booking. A new booking has been made by Emily for the 14th of November. Jump into your jobs to confirm it now. I better quickly write back, then check out what Emily has booked. How exciting. Whoa, that's a huge booking. I'm going to have plenty of cash to splash on my big day. Better confirm it straight away. Thank goodness for Blended. Thank you. Need a wine after that.
That's good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's a great app. It's a great application.
Can you stop sharing your screen, please, Emily? Perfect. Thank you so much. So many features, so many things to show. Amazing job to this team. Congratulations. Cool, perfect. And now we're gonna see my meds. So this team is Dulan, Lohit, Nicholas, and Luca. And we're gonna have Nick taking the stage now. Whenever you're ready.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming to our demo day. My experiences helping my grandmother with her medication led me to this app. Last time she needed to get some medicine, she had to make an appointment with her doctor and see him in person. And then on the way to the pharmacy, she lost her prescription. And it's not the first time that has happened. In order to get a new one, she had to call her doctor. And I, as a loving grandchild, had to go and pick it up from the doctor's and then drive it all the way to her house. She also recently moved and is now 25 minutes away from him, which makes this harder. At the time, the doctor told me about this app called MyMeds that makes getting prescriptions and following up on them much easier. This app has been amazing for my grandmother and I. Let me show you how it works. So now I'm going to log into my grandmother's account. And here I can see the last consultation that she had with her doctor. So if I click on that, it shows me the medicine that she was prescribed, and it offers me to be able to purchase that or track it. I'm going to go ahead and purchase it first. I will take that one. So it looks correct. So I'm going to go ahead and pay for that. Here I'll just enter in my card details. And this will get shipped to the address that was put on the file when creating the profile. So now I'm just going to pay for that. Great. So now I can also track that prescription. And what that lets me do is it will add the prescription to my calendar, and it'll send me alerts every time that she needs to take her medicine. So that way I can call her and make sure she's taking her medicine on the right times and doesn't just forget to do it. So now that that's been added, I can go across to my calendar and just double check. And here it is. Remember to take amoxicillin 4 times a day, 2 tablets, and take it after meals. That's perfect. Now we can fast forward 2 years later, and I've actually become a doctor myself. So this app also lets me consult with my patients online, and one of them is my grandmother. So I'm going to go ahead and create a consultation for her. Here I can go into my consultation log, and this just has a history of all the bookings I've had and all the consultations I've had with all my patients. But I need to make a new one for my grandmother. So I'm going to go and search for her. And I'm just going to check out her profile just to make sure the prescription I give her isn't going to clash with anything that she's already taken. So I can go ahead, go across to my prescription log, and just double check the other medicines that she's been given. That looks fine. So I can go back and I'm going to start a consultation for her. She's been complaining about some stomach pain. So I'm going to give her some probiotics. She should take 2 per serving 3 times a day for 7 days. And she should be taking that with food. I'll add that to the prescription. And here I can also add more prescriptions to this one, but we only need 1 right now. So I'm going to complete that. And now I can look back to her profile and I could just double check that that's gone through. And there it is, the last one, probiotics with 2 per serving, 3 times a day and for 7 days. So that's great. This app's really made it easy to consult with my patients remotely, especially during COVID when people can't travel and they might be further away from their doctors than what's letting us be at the moment. That's basically my app, and I hope you guys find it as useful as I have. And thanks for coming to our demo day.
Great work.
Great work.
Great work.
Congratulations, my meds team. Also super impressive. A lot of different things also to show and to have. Thank you so much. Well, that's it. You've done it. Thank you guys for your tenacity. Thank you, for all the time that you've spent into this, for the time that you spend with your team as well. I really hope that you loved your Wagon journey. And as we keep telling you, this is really not the end. You're going to be part of this community forever. And this is just the beginning. Hopefully, this is the start of a new path, maybe new careers, new possibilities as well. I really want to thank the teaching team as well. They all did an amazing job. So Ben, Kayo, Cam, Gianluca, Nico, Sheila, Sai, and big thanks to Marty as well for his help. You all have been really, really amazing, and it's always a pleasure to work with you. Thank you for passing your knowledge to more and more people every single almost month. So if you join this event to sort of get to know more about the Wagon, I hope that this gives you a better idea of what you're capable of doing after one of our bootcamp. I'll just drop a link in the chat in a few minutes so you can have all the information that you need about the Wagon. And we're also going to stay on a bit with Paul if you have any questions or even questions to the students. That's our pleasure to answer them as well. There are already 9,000 people all around the globe that did the Wagon Bootcamp, so we would really love to have you in our community. Congratulations again, Batch 418. This is the final clap of your Wagon Bootcamp. Very dramatic. Thank you, everyone. Congratulations. Amazing job. Congrats.